On the 2nd of April, we have a 2, a 4, 8, a 10, and the path is a 7 today. So this means that we have this longing to belong. We want to be part of everything. And on the other hand, we also really like to be by ourselves. So it's yes to being together, and yes to being by yourself. So maybe you go by yourself and then you meet someone. Then you go, you have your space for yourself, you have your time for yourself to digest everything, because the 7 is the applied intelligence. So you want to digest what all the thoughts, all the imprints of everything that's been happening. You just want to give yourself a little time to think things through. So ask for timeouts. You don't need to rush anything. And just protect your space. Who do you let in? Because you want everyone, but the 2 needs to learn to set healthy boundaries. So a no is a full sentence, remember? So you don't need to explain that. It's a full sentence, and it's okay to say, this is my space up to here. And if someone does it also, anything that happens this month, we have with the 4 as our mastery number, our homework. We are really asked to take things step by step and not to judge ourselves and not to judge the other person. Just look at the positive and the negative, and then from this zooming out position, you can see the bigger picture, and don't get lost in the details. It's not going to bring you anywhere. So details are important, but if we zoom out and we see the bigger picture, we usually see a pathway through it. So that's the invitation for today.